Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're finding it hard to read on the Quora app, this video is just for you. We'll guide you step by step on how to change the font size in the Quora app using your Android phone. Let's get started right away. Open the Quora app on your Android device. Next, tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, from the side menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll until you find the option labeled Font Size on Font Size. You'll see a slider. Drag the slider from left to right to increase the font size, or from right to left to reduce it. Once you're satisfied with the size, just exit the menu. The changes will be saved automatically. That's it. You've now adjusted the font size in the Quora app. This can make reading much easier on your eyes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other helpful videos.